What I think is most important and will save you lots of money, and that is, hi, I'm Ellie. I'm part of the Land, Air and Documents team here at eCruising. I'm responsible for all things flights, booking your accommodation, and anything and everything in between. Most frequently asked question I get asked is, what cabin should I book? So I think it's really important for first-time cruisers to be in a cabin in the middle of the ship, and if you can get something that has a balcony, that will help if you are seasick, or if you're really not sure if cruising's for you. If you are a little bit sick, at least you get that fresh ocean breeze to help you feel a little bit better. Top 3 things to consider when getting on a cruise. So the first one would be definitely make sure you're on the right cruise line. There is nothing worse than getting on a cruise that's full of the wrong demographic. You want to make sure if you're a family, you're on board a cruise that's suitable for families, and if you're a couple, maybe there's not so many families on board. The second one is check your currency. Make sure you check ahead of time and you preload onto your cards that you've got the right currency. Last one is what I think is most important and will save you lots of money, and that is pre-book your activities and your dinner reservations ahead of time. Not only so you miss out, a lot of the time you can save yourself hundreds if not thousands of dollars by booking it in Australian currency as opposed to the country's currency on board. So make sure you pre-book.